Yes, because of my absence, you have all submitted reports to me of your important duties, and we will be reviewing them together.
Sounds fun.
Yay.
Okay.
I am innocent to whatever accusations happen from here on out. Thank you. Just like to say that beforehand.
Okay.
Me too. I should probably... Can I have a lawyer?
Can I get an attorney on the line?
It's okay, I'm a lawyer.
Yeah, wait, Monet can do it, right?
I have a gavel. Can you hear it?
No.
I have
It's
to
a
make a
gavel.
sound.
I hear it!
I heard it.
I heard it!
In the distance.
I don't hear it.
Maybe you should hear better.
Hey,
Oh my goodness.
you should be
Why
glad
not?
that you're on the edge right now.
Okay. I don't
This
think
is very...
I'm not
very
sure
good.
you guys are like on the edge on the other council room. Wait just a moment.
Oh,
Oh no.
oh we're safe.
I'm a sandwich. I am deli meat.
I will
You're an
reverse you
idiot
back
sandwich.
into a
Wait, what?
seed.